Hello and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make trail mix, which is a wonderful snack to take if you're going on long hikes or a long walk or just traveling anywhere. It's just handy to have it with you because it's full of protein, it's healthy carbs and fats, just what you need to give you some energy. So I looked here in Costco because we're going on this trip to Scotland and we're going to do lots of walking, and they don't sell trail mix here for some reason. They sell it in the USA but not here in the UK. So I'm going to have to make it at home, and I thought let me just do a video on it. So here we go. We're going to make some trail mix. Let's get cooking. So I'm going to be roasting some of the nuts that I'm going to use. So I'm going to preheat my oven to 160 degrees Celsius. So here I've got 1 cup of raw almonds and 1 cup of raw cashews. And these are the nuts that we're going to roast in the oven for about 15-20 minutes at 160. My oven was ready, so I'm going to put them in the middle to roast for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now while the nuts are roasting in the oven, I'm going to get the remaining ingredients together. So here I've got 400 grams of roasted salted peanuts, which is 2.5 cups, and it's basically one of those packets that you get in the supermarket. I'm also going to add 1 cup of raisins to the mix. And the best bit about this trail mix is that I'm going to add some chocolate to it. So you can add your favorite chocolate. So here I've got peanut M&Ms, and I'm going to add a cup maybe of these. And I've got some Minstrels as well, so I'm going to add some of these, maybe about 1/2 cup of this to the mix as well. Halfway through, just give them a quick toss. So these had been roasting for 15 minutes and they look a lovely golden brown, and so I'm going to let them cool now until they're completely cooled, because we've already mixed our chocolate into the mix, and if we add warm nuts to it, the chocolate will melt. So we want to make sure these are really cool before we mix them. So the nuts have completely cooled, and I'm going to add them to the rest of the mix. And then you're just going to toss it together, and if you want to add more chocolates, then you can do so. But this measure looks just right. Then I'm just going to pop it into a Ziploc bag and store it to take on our trip. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all soon for some more cooking inspiration.